Привет, меня зовут Алина. Я учусь в 10 классе химико-биологического профиля. Я люблю готовить, вышивать. Еще я люблю играть на гитаре.
Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. 'Cause it's too much, yeah, it's a lot to be something I'm not. I'm a fool.
Ой, забыла о самом главном. О семье.
Just can't get enough. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared